In primetime news this evening, protesters show support for Edna Manley College's suspended principal for a second straight day. How come? Residents facing heavy electricity bills demand answers from the JPS and calling it quits. Derek Harrison to leave his post at the Integrity Commission.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman.
Thanks, Janella. The top business story, TVJ goes international. The RJ Ardino Communications Group today started its line of overseas TV offerings with the Cayman Islands. I'll have the details on that launch and how far the TVJ broadcast will be going later in the business day.
And from Herman, we go to Jermaine at the sports desk with a look at what's happening there.
Thank you, Archie. As you know, the Brianna Williams doping case has everyone talking, and we have more this evening.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what's your average electricity bill this summer? And are you comfortable with the amount being charged? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.